These guys have been alive, China, since you dug up that earth for my plant to come back to life. I redid the soil and look how quickly they're going down. There goes that one. It's freaking awesome. His friend's gonna go behind him. They're pretending they're dead, but they're not. But there he goes. There he goes. He's disappearing into the soil. I thought they were dead. They weren't even moving. Like, I think they were just like playing dead. That is beautiful. And how this plant came back to life because of you. Linwood and I thought it was dead for sure. It's doing very well. Oh, this other worm's friend's gonna go down now. I know you can't really see it. My camera's pretty shitty. Oh, no, there he goes. He's gonna go down into the soil. He's like, I'm gonna go home. Stop stirring up my dirt, Mama. Oh, China, I can't thank you enough for giving my plant a new life. This is freaking awesome. We stopped going down for a minute. I think he heard me. This is gonna be a long ass video. I really want to capture this. I think he knows he's being watched. Go on, buddy. Go down. Go home. There you go. Doing good. Keep going. Go live with the plant. At first, I thought I just drank so much I blacked out and accidentally threw the worms away when I redid the plant, but I didn't. There they are, alive and well, making their way back into the soil. This is like my favorite plant ever. Worms and all. There was only 2 in there, by the way. No more. And nothing died. Go the rest of... He's resting. He's like, I need a break. This is really hard work. You took all the soil and mixed it up again. I'm tired now. Oh, there he goes. He's going in. It's freaking awesome to watch. You know, you don't get to see this stuff every day. Well, I don't. I'm at Hannaford where... Oh. This is so freaking cool. You're almost there, buddy. You're almost there. You can make it. Look at him go. Loop, slurp, slurp. He's almost there. It's a worm's life. Oh. I shouldn't be so easily amused, but wonders never cease to amaze me. It's resting again. Reminds me of when I'm walking home from work. I just after that uphill thing, I'm like, 1 more minute. Almost there. Be there in a few more minutes. Need to catch my breath. Worms don't drink though, so it's probably no, or smoke. Oh, worms don't smoke, so that's probably not the issue there. Oh my gosh. He's almost in. He's almost all the way in. There he goes. Oh, there he goes. Oh my gosh, we're going to catch his tail. He's going to disappear. His tail's just going to disappear into the soil. This is going to be super cool. Okay, buddy. You can do it. One more deep breath. You're almost home. Look at him go. Oh, I can still see you. One more push. Give it one more push. Mr. Worm, you can do it. Go into the soil. Go into the soil and make my plant happy. I see you. You want to go there. It's gonna take one more piece of dirt with you. There you go. Night night. Night night. Night night. I love you. No, go to bed now. It's got a little piece left to go. You're so close. You're almost there. You're gonna go. I can still see you. Oh, there you go. Disappearing into the dirt. Ooh. What a good wormy. Those worms are amazing. And look at my beautiful plant. It's kind of. Thank you, China, for the soil. Freaking, you know what good dirt is.